Hey my Fluffy Bunz, so today we're gonna do unboxing with my new keyboard. This is my very first keyboard that has no numpad in it. The reason why I got this because I think it looks pretty and plus it sounds amazing. So I got the Kiiboom Breeze 75. I was gonna get in pink, but they were sold out, so I decided to get in green, match it with the switches, which is the matcha latte linear switches, I think. But yeah, let's just open this and see. Hopefully, before I open this, hopefully my backspace keycap does not spell back pace, because I heard like so many reviews saying like, oh, like it misspelled keycap and whatever. But yeah, but anyway, let's cross my fingers. Hopefully it doesn't spell back pace. Hopefully it spells backspace. But yeah, let's just open this. Some switches and screwdriver and a switch puller and keycap puller. Comes in a wire and a wireless receiver right here. Okay, let's leave that to the side. And we have this cloth right here, cloth for the keyboard. Instruction manual. Alright, now finally the keyboard. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. So here is the keyboard. It is very heavy. Luckily, the backspace literally spelled backspace, not backpace. Thank God. I thought I had to return this, but yeah, so here it is. And let's see how it sounds. Ooh. Very poppy. Poppy sound. And I like the sound of the spacebar too. Okay, so we're gonna do like a little sound test for this. So I'm just gonna plug this right in and yeah, and we'll see. Hi, Enemy here. So what I was about to say is, since these are linear switches, they do feel comfortable in typing. I guess last time I tried linear switches, it didn't make me feel comfortable typing. I think it's because the keycaps that made the linear switches feels kind of weird and all. I don't know why, but I do feel comfortable typing this since it's linear switches and it feels comfortable. I think it's the keycaps that makes me feel uncomfortable. That's why. So yeah, I would definitely try linear switches again since I like it. Normally I go for tactile, but these linear switches are very comfortable typing. So I'll definitely recommend if anyone is looking for a 75% keyboard, if you guys don't like numpads and everything. But if you do want numpads, then this is not for you. Definitely give it a 10 out of 10. I love this keyboard and it sounds amazing. So I would say, like, depending on the keycaps, how you feel comfortable in typing in is how you determine how comfortable it is to type in. So I was just getting a normal type of keycaps like these. Sorry, like this. I don't know why I sound like that. Anyways, yeah, so get normal type keycaps like this. I don't know why I keep saying that. If you want type very comfortably. It's not the switches. Like, it's definitely the keycaps. You know, how you feel typing in, but yeah, that is my new keyboard. So I think this is hot swappable, but I'm not gonna hot swap it, but I'm pretty sure I can take the switches out. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time at Fluffy Bunz.